Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, let's get started drawing our fun banana. I'm going to use a Sharpie today, and if you use one, just make sure you double up on your paper. So the very first thing that we're going to do is at the top of our paper, we're just going to draw one line going across like that, and it's going to come down like that and just make a line. From here, you almost drew like a triangle kind of. From here, we're going to go ahead and make our crescent shape for our banana. So you're going to come right up here. You're just going to make a line curve going down, and from here you're going to make that crescent go up and meet that point. Now we're going to start right here, and we're just going to come down and meet that point. There is our fun banana. But let's go ahead and make a face with our banana. We're going to draw two eyes right here on the side of our banana, just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and draw another circle going around the banana. Kind of looks like he has binoculars. All right, there we go. And I made two little circles inside of my circle, and I'm just gonna color them, around them, I mean, in black. They will stay white. And then this banana, he's gonna have a little nose and a sideways smile going up like this with a little crescent shape. Okay, now I'm gonna take a green, but you could choose any color you'd like, and I'm just gonna color in this white part around its eyes, just for a fun little pop of color too. There we go. And now we're ready to color our banana. I am using some yellow and oranges, brown for the stem, and then I'll just trace a little bit of the mouth with red and pink. So let's get started. Press down pretty hard with my crayon. I am going to add some fun eyebrows up there. And I did add dark around the bottom of the banana, around the side and up through the top. And then I think I'm going to add just a little bit of lime green right around here, just for a highlight. You know, sometimes bananas are green anyway, but just to add a little more detail. And there is our banana. I might just finish coloring in yellow with any white areas I see. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.